Hello guys, welcome to my lookbook. So the first two outfits in this video were filmed last year and the last two were filmed this year. I'm sorry they're so late, but better late than pregnant. So let's start off with the oldest one. Starting from the top, this is very much a casual look for me. The fedora hat is an old one from Boohoo. I don't support Boohoo, but I got this at the beginning of the year when I didn't really know about the scummy ways of Boohoo. But this one was only £10. £10. The wig, yes, it's a wig. It's from VP Fashion and it was hand dyed by moi. The wig is from their basic range and is 100% human hair. I dyed it myself using permanent black hair dye and Manic Electric Lizard for the bright neon green. This is the wig that I actually dyed green for a video, and then I kind of thought that all over green wasn't for me, so I split dyed it black. In case you're wondering where that green wig actually went. Sunglasses I love, and I'm counting down the days till lockdown ends so I can go outside and wear these again. They are from smartbuyglasses.com, and yes, they are prescription. It took me ages to find a really cute looking pair of prescription sunglasses, and my nipples turned into bullets when I saw these. The frames are metal and they're a really deep, bold red, and the lenses are a lighter reddy pink, and it looks super cute when you've got really dark makeup behind them. Makes me feel like a Powerpuff Girl. I think the eyeshadow was a cheap one from Beautonomy. I love those guys. And the liquid lipstick is Sugarpill Zero, and oh my god, it smells so good. It's like vanilla cake mix. And if you know me, vanilla is my favourite smell and taste ever. I love everything in my life vanilla except sex. It is starting to come off during these clips because I'd already had it on my lips for quite a while, and I always bite my lips. My lip spike is from piercedandmodified.com. This collar I love, it's one of my favourites. It's an old Killstar one. It has metal hardware on the front, a big O-ring, long silver coloured spikes all the way around. It's faux leather, it's just one of my faves, I love it. The dress is an old one from Disturbia. This dress is so short, I am 4'11". It barely covers my fajita wrap. If I bend over, you can definitely see all the lettuce hanging out. It was advertised as a dress, definitely more of a top, but it's so freaking cute. I just make sure I wear it with tights or leggings or something, so you don't see what I actually had for breakfast. The belt is super stretchy and it's from Kreepsvile. This belt really jazzes up simpler outfits like this dress. They also make it with a skull instead of a bat, but I think the bat one's nicer. Oh, now we're talking. Now we're talking. I love layers. I love cardigans, jumpers. I want infinite amounts of comfort. This bad boy cardigan is from Mary Wyatt. Mary Wyatt is a ethical, sustainable brand and one of my faves. It's got two splits up the back and comes all over your face. Just kidding. It comes just below your knees. It's really thin and lightweight and is just perfect for summer. I have a referral code for Mary Wyatt. I'll pop it in the description below. You can get some money off and support a really decent brand. The leggingy things are actually a pair of tights that I just cut the end off. I do this quite a lot as I find they're more comfortable than buying 3/4 leggings. The shoes are the Jura trainers from Koi, and not long after this video they did end up falling apart. So, bag is my soulmate and it is from Black Craft Cult. My partner got me this for my birthday, and with shippings and customs it came to over £100. It's definitely not worth that much, and the strap has started to come away from the bag, but I love this so much. Spot the little Emily Boo badge on there. Check out my store and grab one. Help out a struggling YouTuber. This one is another everyday Boo outfit. I don't know why I keep saying that because this whole video is everyday Boo outfits, but you get the idea. Start at the head, baby, get to the toes, that's how we like it. On the top of me noggin, hat you may recognise, I used to wear it all the frickin' time. I don't actually wear it that often anymore, but it's perfect for hiding my hair extensions. It was a woolen bowler hat from Primark. I've kind of forgot I had this because this bit was filmed last year, so I might go and put some spikes on this hat and start wearing it again. Got VP Fashion hair extensions in. This was filmed last year, so I have my cheek piercings. I don't have my cheeks pierced anymore. Long story short, they got irritation bumps on them from filming Hooked on the Look, and I took them out as to try and avoid more scars on my face. This face is ugly enough. I don't need more reasons to hate it. Makeup is very simple and how I used to do my makeup. I still do it like this. I just slop a lot more lines and crosses and shit on there now. Black lipstick is Sugarpill 0, and the brick tones in the middle are NYX. I'll write all the details in the description below. Eyeshadow again is just a plain cheapy black one, and my eyebrows look like seagull wings that are about to take flight. My earrings were given to me by my friend, so I don't know where they came from, but they are little hollow cross earrings on hoops, and they go perfect through stretch lobes. My green hair again is Manic Panic Electric Lizard. The top I'm wearing, it's the Rosalind high neck top from Mary Wyatt London. It's got a heart cross tattoo design on the front of it. The fabric is really stretchy and comfortable, and it fits in all the right places. I'm wearing a size 12 in the top in this, and it fits perfectly to my size 12 titties. So the trousers are freaking beautiful. They are from Man Devoir, probably definitely said that wrong, which is kind of a normally street website, but these trousers are so good. They're baggy cargo print, they've got chains on them, lots of pockets, rivets, patches. There is so much detail, but they're still quite plain looking, and they're so damn comfortable. At the time of filming this, I was a size 12, and I got these trousers in a 12, and they fit really, really well. I'm now a size 10. Because of the elastic waist and the soft fabric, they still fit really, really good. They were quite pricey, but the quality really is there, and I would recommend getting your actual size in these. The chain is removable as well, which is pretty cool. And boots again are my new Rock Neptunos. They're real leather platform boots. They have zips on the inside and hollow holes through the soles with springs in them. Feels like you're walking on sunshine. Oh, there you go, little quickie for you. Next outfit, this is one of my faves, and it was just so casual, comfy. I love this look so much. It made me feel like a Mortal Kombat character. Finisher. So here we go. Starting off at the head, I am wearing hair extensions in this video. Since I cut all my hair off, I wear hair extensions pretty much every day. And when this was filmed, my natural hair was still very short. So the black hair is clip-in extensions from VP Fashion. The green in my fringe is Manic Panic Electric Lizard. And the black and green stripy hair extensions are from Phantasmagoria. They came in a pack of 2, but the wefts were very, very thin, but they are really cute. Glasses, because I don't think I've said so far, my glasses are from smartbuyglasses.com. And eyebrows, I love this eyebrow look too. I just do the normal outline of black eyebrows and then fill it in with UV green paint glow eyeliner. Simple eye makeup too, and I've got a couple of moon stamps on my forehead and around my eyes. Eyeshadow, I think, is just a basic black one, nothing too exciting. The mask I'm wearing is one I got from Killstar. I have a lot of masks because I change mine really, really regularly, and this one is very comfortable to wear. The collar is one I got from Etsy, and it isn't great quality. It feels very cheap and flimsy, but it does look pretty good on. And the chain is from a really old belt I had that didn't fit me, so I took all the chains off and I now wear them as necklaces. The slime green pin is from Witchwood bags. I have 2, and I have the other one on my backpack. The coat is what I've been living in pretty much since October last year. I got this for £6 English from a charity shop, and it is the most comfortable coat I think I've ever had. I have worn this pretty much every day, especially doing the school run. Because of the length, I can hide my pajamas under it really easily, but it is super, super comfy. It doesn't have any labels in, so I don't know who it's by, I'm afraid, but charity shop, guys, it's so much fun. T-shirt, I get asked whenever I wear this t-shirt where it is from. It's from Restyle. I'm wearing size medium and it's quite baggy, definitely say size 12 to 14. Restyle t-shirt quality is so good, and they're pretty cheap as well. I think it was about £11, definitely worth that. The culottes, I love that word. They are the Bones paper bag culottes from Disturbia. I am 4'11", so I'm very, very short. I can only wear these with platforms, otherwise they just look like hoisties on me. They have a zip up the side, but there is absolutely zero stretch in these. I'm wearing a size 12, and Fun fact, I do not have them zipped up because at the time I couldn't zip them up. I really recommend these trousery things, but size up because there is zero stretch and they are not the size they are listed as. Fabric is so thin and soft as well though. They are going to be perfect in summer. The boots are my babies. They are my new Rock Neptunos. The comfiest boots I own. I love them. I think that's everything for this look. Nice and easy one. Very comfy casual for me. Even watching this back, I'm like, oh, I look so comfy. I am going to need to be buried in this coat though because the giant hood is everything and I am obsessed with it. So this was obviously filmed when we had our snow day. I love the snow. So I went outside, filmed myself messing about in the snow. I had some fun and then I froze my tits off because these clothes I'm wearing are so thin. It was freezing! I suffered for this clip, but it's okay because I look cute while doing it. So this is the most recent look. We're in lockdown at the moment, so this is very much an everyday look if I'm going out to do something other than just the school run. I've forgotten what those days feel like. This wig is gorgeous, but I absolutely hate my face without a fringe. But the colour inspiration was what made me decide to dye my actual hair this colour scheme. The wig is from VP Fashion and is hand dyed by me. I used permanent black dye and Directions apple and spring green mixed together on the fringe. I love the curls though, they make me feel so glamorous, like a polished turd. The makeup is... oh god, let's just ignore those brows please. The rest is super cute though. The lashes are really cheapy ones that I cut up and glued to the top and bottom of my eyes. This is something that I've been doing quite a lot recently. I've definitely been having more fun with my makeup and my style. Lockdown's kind of encouraged me to express myself a little bit more and it's definitely a lot more fun. The lipstick is NYX black liquid lipstick, just a cheapy one, and the kind of mauve shade in the middle is Sugarpill Vertigo, and because it's Sugarpill it smells like vanilla cake mix. The lashes are just some cheapy ones from Poundland. The eyeshadow, which I love, is from the Jolie Sorceress palette, my favourite palette ever. And the liquid eyeliner, which I used for the crosses on my cheeks, is NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Collars, I love a collar. I am a spiked collar girl. I just love a collar. I'm wearing a prong dog collar backwards. These are, in my opinion, disgusting on dogs, but perfect worn backwards on gothics. The other chain is just a simple one that I bought off Etsy and that broke once I was taking it off after filming this. The top is one of my favourites. It's from Disturbia and my partner got it for me for Christmas. I'm wearing a size medium for a kind of looser fit. Also from Disturbia, I'm wearing their Or belt. Probably said that wrong. I'm wearing a size medium to large and it fits perfectly. Their belt sizes only come in small, medium and medium to large. And I would say that medium to large is up to a small size 14. It sucks that their belts are made that way and they only come in 2 sizes, but they are really well made. And this belt definitely jazzes up simpler outfits. Tights! The black tights are faux ripped design ones from Primark and covered in ferret hair. Every piece of clothing I own is covered in ferret hair. My clothes are all black. I have 3 albino ferrets. They don't mix, but they do because ferrets are so freaking cute. Plus with these design tights, I can have hairy legs and rip tights at the same time. And the black and white one is a cut up pair of stripy tights from Poundland, the land of the pound, which I get every year at Halloween. And I just pop the stripy leg over the top of the black ripped ones and I put a little suspender belt just to keep it up. I'm really digging different legged tights and trousers at the minute. It's something I used to do a lot back when I was a teenager and I'm falling in love with that look all over again. The skirt is one I've had for years. It was just a cheapy one from Boohoo. The shoes are black velvet Viva Creepers and they are from Tuck. I'm wearing size 5 and they are very slightly too small, so I can only wear these with tights or thin socks. I love Tuck shoes. These shoes can be dressed up and down so easily and I love the look of Tuck Creepers with bare legs and just like a plain simple black summer dress in summer. It's one of my favourite looks. So that is the end of my lookbook, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll definitely be doing more of these now that I'm starting to get my confidence back and get in the flow of loving myself again. I'll see you soon. But thank you guys for watching. Much love, take care of yourself, and most of all, wear the weird outfit next time you get dressed. and stay weird.